I'm sharing my screen. I hope you are able to see the screen. Yes. So string variable in Java. We can use strings for text. Whatever text you want to give, you can use in a string. Yes. Double quotes are used for a string variable. So you can put the string in double quotes. Whatever you enter, it accepts it. It can contain any text. So creating a string variable and assigning a value. So let's create a string and assign a value. So here I just copy this one, so it becomes easy. Okay, so in this class, I'm just changing the class. I'm keeping the same class name, so it becomes easy for me not to change in here. I can so here what I have done in here, I have declared.
We can't see your screen.
Yeah, we can't see your screen.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, now you should be able to. I thought that I clicked on sharing, but I didn't. So in this case, what happened? In this class, it's a simple class, so I have done it. This is a string class. I'll refactor it. So in this case, I have given a string salutation equals. So what happened? I have declared a string salutation and I have assigned a value to that string by equal sign. And what is that value? Hello. Yes. And I am displaying or returning. So when I print this display, instead of salutation even I am given, because it is a string, it will print hello. Yes. Now you can have two strings together as well. So how you can say? String I just put it 2. Yes. Input. So what I can do in here, if I want to print hello friend, just for the space I've given, and I put salutation 2, and when I print it out, what it will print? Hello friend. Yes. In what case you are going to use, whatever data you are going to use, in testing wise, you mostly use as a string variable. Next one, length of a string. So you can identify the length of a string as well. So here I have a string hello. Yes. I save the string as a salutation. If I want to identify the length, then what I will do? I can remove it, and there is a pre-built in. Put length yes dot text dot length. Okay, so here I put salutation, so I'll put salutation dot length. Yes, then it will give me the length of this particular string. So let's count and execute it. Is it correct or incorrect? Is it correct? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. So 5. But if I put a big sentence and I want to find out okay, I randomly put something, I don't know how many. It also counts this space as well. So let's execute this command. 61. Is it correct or incorrect? If you want to verify, 1 2 3 4.
Yes, it was 61.
Yes, so correct. So whenever you want to get the length of a particular string, you can use a command called string dot. So here I have defined the what is string? Salutation. So string means salutation dot length, and that will give me the length of the particular string. Now you have a string. Now the string you want to convert it into the uppercase or lowercase. Yes, then you can exactly use the same similar. Here you put salutation dot to uppercase, here lowercase or uppercase. So what will happen? It will convert the whole string into uppercase. Yes, see, I am going to London tomorrow. Yes, if you want to convert the whole string into lowercase, then what is the method you are going to use? To lowercase. Station dot to lowercase. Yes, all lowercase. I was uppercase, Y here uppercase. Now we can see I lowercase and Y lowercase. Most of the things are now lowercase. Now you want to identify the index of a particular word, where this word is located. But what it does it in here? Index of method returns the index, the position of the first occurrence of the specified text in a string including space. String counting starts from 0, so it will count from 0. So what happens in this string? I have a word tomorrow twice. Yes, here and here. I want to identify what is the index of this particular tomorrow. Yes, then what I will use? String dot index of the particular word. So sysout string, then what? Index of particular word. What particular word I have in here? I'm going to identify for tomorrow. So it will, where it starts from, it will give me the answer. It would be around 30 or 31. Yes, I counted but forgot. Yeah, 21. So if you count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 21. Yeah, so it is correct. Index of the first word. Here there is nothing, but let's go to there's a, you are going to. So here going to is there, here going to is there. So it will identify the first occurrence only, not the second one. So if I execute it, then it is 5. Yeah? So 1 is 0 means 0. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. Now the next one, let me take the screenshots. I have used already the first examples, but you want to add two strings together. So there are two ways. What we have done it here, let me put two strings. String first name Rahul. Yes. String last name. So I can use add this first name plus, just for the space I'm giving, last name. Yes, and what it will print? It will print Rahul Gandhi. Where is it gone? No, yeah, Rahul Gandhi. But there is a method, concat method. So I can say this is OUT first name dot concat. Yes, it automatically selected. You can give last name or first name. So either you want to give this one or this one. It exactly does the same purpose. Yes, but as it doesn't have a space, so what you want to do, then you have to give space in here if you are using concat method. Yes, Rahul Gandhi with the concat method. I think this is the detail about all the strings. And these last examples I have in here is, if you want to restrict a string to a certain number of characters, then you can use this kind of pre-built classes. So I just copy and paste it for you. I have created it. So what it does, it will pad, I say padded number as string. So it will pad the numbers and it will give me the 15 digit number. Yeah. So I will delete everything. Yes. So what it does, integer number I have defined 15. That number string, I'm storing that number as string and I'm converting string dot value of the number. Then I'm using string builder method of Java and string builder. What is new string builder? I'm doing string builder, SB is a variable and I'm using a new string builder. Then I'm using a while loop. Yes, it's a while loop. So this is the length. It is giving me the length of something. If it is not append the number, how you are going to append the number? Here I have given sb.append with 0 0. Okay, so it will pad with 0 0. So you can see it is making 10 digit number with 0 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, so instead of 15, it is 15. If I give some other number, then what it will do? Okay, so it will append with only five zeros. Can you see? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. In what cases you are going to use this? If there is any requirement that this particular string is certain characters long and you don't have that number, so you need to append, means you have to pad it with certain numbers. So when you pad it, it becomes specific numbers. So as for example, the mobile numbers are, as for example, in certain country 10 digit. Yes, so in this case what happens, if the government comes and they say that from tomorrow or from so and so months these mobile numbers will be of 12 digits, so what they are going to do, they will use this kind of method and pad all this number with 0 in the front. Yes, so this is how you are going to use some of the functionalities when you sorry